If you are looking for a realistic fireplace for either your home or business, MagikFlame has an option that will most likely work for you. We specialize in creating and distributing the most realistic fireplaces in the world, using cutting-edge video-based technology, not found anywhere else. We sell standalone inserts that can be used to convert a traditional wood or gas-burning fireplace into a safe and efficient electric. A standalone insert can also be purchased if you wish to build your own mantel or enclosure. This offers a lot of flexibility in how you integrate a fireplace insert into your home or business. The inserts offered by MagikFlame come in two different flavors. The first is our flagship MagikFlame holographic insert, which comes in one size which is 28 inches by 32 inches by 12 inches, and the second is our new linear DragonBlaze Fireplace line, which comes in several different sizes, ranging from 40 inches all the way up to 120 inches wide. The technology between the two is very different, so we will take some time to explain the differences between our HoloFlame technology found on the MagikFlame traditional insert and the DigiFlame technology found on the DragonBlaze Linear line. The MagikFlame HoloFlame electric fireplace insert creates an extremely realistic fireplace experience using patented holographic technology that we developed over several years. With this type of fireplace, there's a real physical log set that sits inside of the insert, and there are some lights inside of this log set, which flicker and pulsate to simulate the look of burning and smoldering embers. We then take real video of actual fire and project it onto this physical log set, making it look like the logs are actually burning. This way you can experience all the beautiful details you would with real fire, like wispy smoke and even burning embers, that is just not possible with mechanical fireplaces sold elsewhere. The reason why the MagikFlame fireplaces look so real is because you are looking at real video of actual fire, seemingly burning the logs with holographic technology just as almost indistinguishable from the real thing. The DragonBlaze Limited Edition Linear Insert uses a different type of technology called DigiFlame technology. In the DragonBlaze Linear Insert, there are physical logs that look just like wood chunks from a traditional wood or gas-burning fireplace. Behind those logs is a specialized mirror that will display video of fire on it, but at the same time reflect the logs in front of it, making it look like the flames are actually coming up from in between the log set, creating a realistic 3D effect. Again, because you're looking at real fire, this insert looks extremely realistic, and much more realistic than other linear fireplaces on the market using mechanical technology. The DragonBlaze appears to have flames coming from between the logs, versus the MagikFlame, which looks like the fire is fully engulfing the logs from both in front of, on top of, and behind the logs. The MagikFlame insert is available in one size and can be considered a traditional style. That means that it's slightly more wide than a rectangle and will fit most common fireplace openings. The MagikFlame insert is 28 inches wide by 32 inches tall and 12 inches deep. The top 10 inches of the MagikFlame is meant to be framed or trimmed over, and not visible to the viewer. The DragonBlaze fireplace is considered a more modern style, often referred to as a linear. The DragonBlaze is available in multiple different sizes such as 40 inches, 50 inches, 60 inches, 70 inches, 80 inches, 100 inches, and 120 inches. The MagikFlame often goes into an existing fireplace cavity or has a mantel built around it, while the DragonBlaze usually is mounted inside a wall or stacked stone chimney for a breathtaking view. We believe that the illusion of fire is not complete without sound. Both the MagikFlame and the DragonBlaze inserts feature actual audio samples from real fires. That means with either brand you will get authentic crackling and popping sounds, just like you would with a real fireplace. The MagikFlame includes 30 different flames which can simulate not only wood-burning fires, but also gas fireplaces as well, many with different sounds to suit the mood. The DragonBlaze features one highly realistic and detailed flame that's available in several different colors. For instance, you can choose to make the fireplace look like a standard fire, or with a press of a button on the remote control, you can make it look like a blue gas-burning flame, or even overly or underly saturated to your desire. The flame speed is adjustable on the DragonBlaze, and both the MagikFlame and DragonBlaze have volume adjustments to perfectly adjust the volume levels to just the right amount of ambience to soothe away the day's stress. Another key difference between the MagikFlame and the DragonBlaze inserts is related to the logs and the ember beds. The MagikFlame features a traditional style log set. The logs in the MagikFlame look like burned and charred wood pieces that are being held by a stylish antique aged brass log holder. This is very common to what you would see in a traditional wood-burning fireplace. There is only one log choice for the MagikFlame. The DragonBlaze, on the other hand, is much more configurable when it comes to the logs and ember bed configuration. With the DragonBlaze, you can use the included pine wood chunks, which are sculpted and hand-painted to look like real firewood. The product ships with several different chunks that you can arrange in many different styles to your liking. You can even use real wood if you prefer. Feel free to swap out the included pine logs for birch or just about anything else you can think of. The DragonBlaze has glass rocks called Dragon Rocks at the bottom that are illuminated from underneath by a series of LED lights, making these glass rocks look like anything from burning embers to beautiful aqua blue glass beads, depending on the lighting settings. The DragonBlaze also features a set of red LED lights to illuminate the front of the log set, as well as several overhead, multicolored lights to illuminate the logs and ember bed from the top, while the MagikFlame features internal LEDs not outwardly visible. Both look beautiful in subdued lighting and makes for an ideal evening ambience. Both the MagikFlame and DragonBlaze inserts ship standard with a 5,200 BTU fan-forced coil heater with whisper quiet fan, which is capable of heating 400 square feet and up to 1,000 square feet when operating in conjunction with your home's central heating system. Both units will easily take the chill off of the room while potentially lowering your power bill as well, thanks to zone heating. This means heating the room you are in rather than your entire home to reduce power consumption. The MagikFlame and DragonBlaze inserts are built for convenience of operation. However, the means for operating each brand is slightly different. The MagikFlame insert is meant to be controlled using its built-in color touchscreen. There is a 3.5-inch by 2-inch color touchscreen built into the top right of the product, similar to what you might have on your smartphone. Intuitive color icons can be used for basic functions for the slightly more tech-savvy. iPhone users can download the iPhone operating system app for the MagikFlame and use that to control the Fireplace as well. While the MagikFlame does include remote control, it's not the primary means of operation. On the other hand, the DragonBlaze is meant to be fully controlled by the included remote control. The remote control is a decent size and sturdy, which fits the hand perfectly, with clear labeling for all of the important functions. Alternatively, the DragonBlaze can be used via the built-in control panel at the top of the unit. These tactile buttons are easy to feel even in a dimly lit room, and make the product extremely simple to operate. Another key difference between the MagikFlame and the DragonBlaze is the viewing angle. The MagikFlame is meant to be viewed directly from the front. It's considered one-sided viewing. The DragonBlaze, on the other hand, is built to be configured in either a one-sided configuration or even 2- or 3-sided viewing configurations. It has removable metal side panels on both the left and the right that can simply be taken off by loosening a few screws. Underneath is a built-in, fixed glass panel. You can see through the sides of the DragonBlaze into more of your room or even another room. The flexibility and functionality of being a multi-sided fireplace is very desirable for modern homes and businesses. Both the MagikFlame and DragonBlaze inserts are made from high-quality parts and meticulously designed and engineered for years of trouble-free enjoyment. The MagikFlame is built in Nashville, Tennessee, while the DragonBlaze is made in conjunction with our international partners. Both products feature lifetime free tech support, available 7 days a week via our call center or chatbot on the website for access to answers at any time. If you are looking for a more traditional fireplace, to convert your existing wood or gas-burning fireplace, or want to build a traditional mantel or hearth around your fireplace, the MagikFlame may be the product for you. Built by hand in Nashville, these inserts are a sight to behold and are sought after worldwide for their realism and elegance. The DragonBlaze is a limited edition line offered by MagikFlame and is available in very small numbers. It's perfect for homes or businesses who want a modern and elegant look. The DragonBlaze is the center focal point of any room it goes in. Whether you have a desert home overlooking a majestic vista, or a cabin lodge by a lake in the mountains, or even a southwestern-style home in the south, or even a hotel lobby or restaurant, a DragonBlaze Linear Insert is sure to turn heads and make people say, "Wow, I can't believe that's an electric fireplace."